Welcome back to IR Design Expert channel. Today we are designing a Republic Day special in our video. Part okay. Select a sketch, front datum plane, and select a circle. Draw one circle and another one circle. Draw. Okay. We'll give a dimension for these circles. First one is 55. The next diameter is 35. Okay. We can draw the straight line. Draw another one line in top side. Okay. Now we'll trim. Okay. I will select a line to be extend this line. The same axis we can draw the one line, horizontal line, vertical line. It can be joined it, and then you can connect with the extend. For this line, okay. I'm going to trim in between line. Okay. Now I'm going to make a draw the straight line for this, and then trim above lines. And the same method you can follow for top side is also. You can trim this one, draw this line. Okay, you can trim. We're going to give a dimension for this. This length is 10 mm. Now we're going to give a dimension for this bottom thickness is 10 mm, and the center to this line is 35, and this thickness is also 10 mm. Okay, now we're going to draw the 6. So we can draw two circles. The outer circle diameter is 30, and the next circle is 45. Okay, I'm going to select a 3-point arc in between the center one. You can select one 3-point arc. You can draw the 6. So to offset this line, 8 mm. Okay, I'm going to trim the excess lines. Okay, we close this line. Now going to adjust this line. Now select and thickness of the offset is 10 mm. Now select these two lines and make a tangent. Okay, now we reduce the length of the two. The center to the bottom line distance is 25. And then this center to this length distance is 70. Okay, now going to exit sketch. Extrude. Now going to make the radius curved extrusion. So you can select the top datum plane and draw the one 3-point arc. Select. Okay. The dimension of 3-point arc is 70. Exit sketch. I'm going to extrude cut. Make on surface for cutting remaining portion. Be flip direction. Okay. Okay, it should be cutted. Now the 26 is created. Select the front datum plane. Select the sketch. First of all, going to draw the center line for this one. Here we can write January. This length distance is 1 mm. Okay, now we'll select a sketch, text, and select a line. Here we can write January. Okay, now we're going to edit the text. Give times in Roman. Times in Roman, bold, and then thickness is 10. Okay. Okay, now going to reduce the thickness. 7 is okay. Now going to give alignment for end alignment. I'm going to extrude. Can extrude up to the surface only can extrude. So you can extrude behind of the surface. So we can select a blind and then extrude 50. Okay. Now we select bottom of the surface. Sketch. Convert entities. Select convert entities. Okay. And then select offset command. Okay. The offset is 5 mm and delete before line. Now going to make a extrude cut. Okay. Okay, now we can change the flip direction. Okay, it is changed. Okay, now it is created for January. Now we can write the Happy Republic Day in bottom side, and top side one nation, one vision, one identity, India. We draw the center line. And select a sketch, text, select line. Happy Republic Day. Okay, now we edit the sketch. So 20. Okay, I'm going to adjust this line. Automatically it should be adjust. Okay, Now this line is make a center of the 26. So we can select uh, center line and select center line, and both the line edges make a symmetric. Okay, automatically it's becoming center. Okay, 15. Now the top side we can write another one center line, draw center line. Select the text and write one nation, one vision, one identity. Okay, I will edit this text. Times in Roman, bold, text height is 5. Okay, so it is coming from center. Okay, okay, now I'm going to draw another one center line. Slide cross. So we can just go to select and make a horizontal command and text, and then write India to increase the text height. Bold 25. Okay, now I'm going to extrude. Okay, 60 mm. Okay, I will select the bottom surface and draw a sketch. I want to draw a 3-point arc, one into another end. You can adjust the radius. The radius is 240. Okay, and then extrude cut. Okay, okay, now it is created. Okay, now it is created for one nation, one vision, one identity, India, 26 January, Republic Day. Now we are going to give appearances for the cut section area. Okay, I'm going to select the entire component for yellow color. Okay, select the January for the white color. Entire January is yellow color. Now going to select the 26. Two front surfaces you can select and give blue color. I'm going to give an internal the 26 numbers of radius. Then select the back side of the surface. Okay, and draw a center circle. The circle is 7 mm diameter. Extrude up to the surface. You can select. Okay, it is created. Now we select another one sketch. Create a one rectangular for this center to this surface. Draw one center line. Okay, up to the circle center to the 6 surface itself. Okay, now we select both the edges of the rectangular and the center line. You can make a constraint for symmetric. The thickness of the rectangle is 0.5. I want to select the entire rectangular. And make a circular sketch pattern. Select the edge and 24 number, and select the edges. This one you can select here. Okay, I'm going to exit sketch, extrude. Okay, created. I'm going to select surface. This surface can extend. Okay, it is created. Okay, this entire setup we can give appearances. This one is give appearances for blue color. Okay, now it is created. One nation, one vision, one identity. India. Happy Republic Day. Thank you for watching our Design Export channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.